Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is the meaning of minimum viable product. The minimum viable product, as you can see here in the left side, which is a normal donut, and in the right side you will see your product vision or your dream product. The minimum viable product is the product that can satisfy your early adopters or your customers' needs, but it's not your dream product. And the objective of developing this minimum viable product is to get some revenues in order to develop your product and let the engine rolling in order to reach your dream product. You can see this minimum viable product in some websites like Facebook in the beginning, Twitter, LinkedIn. Also, the iPhone is considered to be the minimum viable product, the iPhone 1, and that's it. Thank you so much and goodbye.